Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing the closeout for the month of January. So without further ado, let's start. As usual, we're gonna start with our balances. So for that, we're gonna need our first binder, which is Ruby Rose, and let's start counting and seeing the changes. So beauty's first, and let's see what beauty has at the end of the month. I have my calculator right here. So nails has 2030 plus laser has 50, 100, 150, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 215, 20, 25, and 30. So 230 in laser plus hair has 40 plus facials have 20, 30, 35, 40, 45 plus products have 50, 75. In total, beauty has 420. So the change from the beginning of the month is a positive 26 euro change. Great. So beauty. And then birthdays is next, and birthdays has 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So from the beginning of the month, that was a positive 30 euro difference. Clothing has 50, 75. So that's a positive 25 euro difference. Fun had 65 at the beginning of the month, and now we have in winter and spring money. So, oh jeez, I can't. Okay, so I can't take them out. Let's just count. Winter has 50, 60, no, wait, 50, 80, so 50, 70, 85 plus what we have in spring. And spring has a 5 only. So in total, that's 90, and that's a 25 euro difference. And then gifts has 50, 100, 150, 155. 155, and that was a negative 5 euro difference. Great. So that's all for this binder. Now we move on to Johnny Cash, and we have health first. And health, let's take out all of the tabs. So health has, so dentist has 250 plus what we have in therapy, which is 215 plus physio has 30 plus medicine has 20, 30, 31, 32, and 33 plus miscellaneous has 50, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. So in total, that's 623, which is a negative 2 euro difference from the beginning of the month. Of course, we spent more and added more, just that it doesn't show the differences throughout the month. So holidays is next, and holidays has now 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So 18, that was a positive 18 euro difference. So, do we count rollover? I forgot. We do count rollover. Rollover has, let me check. I have to move this. Rollover has 2. So that was a positive 2 euro difference. Let me move this back. So then we have travel. So travel has 500, 600, 650, 670, 690, 710, 720, 725, 726, 7, and 8. So 728 plus what we have in Maldives. So here I did have to exchange the money I had in euros to dollars, because Maldives will accept US dollars. So in total, I will count the euro amount, even though there are dollar amounts in here. So in total, in hotels, we have 720, plus what we have in dining, which is 150, plus what we have in groceries, which should be 115, plus what we have in miscellaneous, which is 150. So in total, in travel, we have 1,863 euros. And from the beginning of the month, that's a positive 671 euro difference. So that's great. I will put this all back, and then we will see after I come back from my trip at the end of the month how much we have left over. So that's all for this binder. Now we move on to our long-term sinking funds binder, which is our Daisy Duke, and we will also grab our little marker because we have several trackers we can color in here. So babies is first, and babies have, let's take the tracker out as well. Babies have 150, 51, 2, 3, and 4. So 154, which is a positive 4 euro difference. Not sure we can color anything more, but let's check. So 7.5. So 2, 4, 6, 7.5. Okay, so we can't color in anything in our tracker. Let's move to the next, which is car. And car has 150, 65, 6, 7, and 8. So 168. It's a positive 8 euro difference, and we also can't color in anything because we only added 8, and one icon is 20. Then we have emergency, and I do believe that we might be able to color in our tracker. So emergency has 1,000, 2,000, 100, 20, 40, 50. So 2,150, which is exactly 100 euro difference. And let's check. So 2,150 divided by 96. We should have 22 full pigs colored in, which is 21 and 22. We crossed out another piggy, which is exciting. These trackers are available on my Etsy shop if you want one for yourself. So yes. Oh, okay. I lost a little closing, but no matter. I will pick it up afterwards. Home is next, and home has 150, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 155, positive 5 euro difference. We can't color in anything in the tracker yet. Pets have, let's check, 155. So positive 5 euro difference. We can't color in anything in this tracker. Retirement, let's see if we can color in this tracker. Retirement has 20, 40, 65, 66. So that's a positive 66 euro difference. And here 66 divided by one line, which is 34. We can color in almost 2 lines, which I will take. I will just color 2 lines in. And those are our first 2 lines for retirement for this year. So I will write down January so we can see the corresponding progress. And these trackers are also available on my Etsy shop if you want some for yourself. And then we have savings, which are empty because that's not what we're working on this time. So technology has, let's check, some bills are stuck, 155 and 56. So 156, it's positive 6 euro difference. Can't color in the tracker yet. And weddings is the last envelope in this binder, and we have 150, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 154, which is a positive 4 euro difference. We can't color in the tracker yet. Okay, so that's it for this binder. Now we have our next one, which is our iridescent binder. So Charity has 1. So that's a positive €1 difference. Christmas is still empty. We're starting to stuff that in February. So that's €0 change. Etsy had 50 at the beginning of the month. And now it has 20, 21, 22, and 23. So that means it's minus €27 difference. Tattoos and piercings had 50 at the beginning of the month. And now it has 51, 2, and 3. So €53. €53, which is positive €3 difference. Great. So for this binder, that's all. And let's move on to our A5. And 30 for 30 is first. Let me take out the trackers as well. We'll see if we can color in anything. So 30 for 30 has at the end of January 1,000, 50, 70, 90, 1,110. So 1,110, and that's a positive €60 difference. That's great. I don't think we'll be able to color in anything though. So 1,100 divided by 70, we should have 15, almost 16 lines full colored in. Okay, so that means we could color in one line. That's gonna be this one. I have to pick 2 colors. Let's do blue. Just gonna do this one. I'm very bad at coloring within the lines. That's not my talent for sure. Okay, and that will symbolize January. Okay, and then for this tracker, which is our little what is it called, a table? No, a graph. We are putting for January 1,110. That's the line here, and we can choose the color of the year, which will be green, I believe, this year. So that's for January. Very exciting. That's for January. Those are the trackers for 30 for 30. Okay, so subscriptions. Let's check how much subscriptions have. We have in credit card nothing. Okay, so Spotify has 10, 11, 12, and 13 plus what we will have in transport. That's credit card. That's Spotify, and transport has 25. So in total, that's 38, and that's a positive €3 difference since the beginning of the month. For the monthly savings challenge, we have managed to save for the month of January, which we will also take out because in tomorrow's video I'm setting up February and I'll be introducing the new challenge then. We were able to save 50, 100, 150, 160, 170, 180, 185, 190, 195, 200, 201, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So €214, which all of it is a plus. That's insane. I'm not sure how I'll handle this. Either I will put all into savings envelope, or I will redistributed it across my sinking funds, because I don't really want to have this money sitting until the end of the year in just one envelope if I can put it to good use in my sinking fund. So I'm not sure about this, but I will definitely let you know when I do decide. So I'm taking this to the side, and tomorrow I'm putting in the February monthly savings challenge, and our last envelope we need to count is buffer, and I do believe it only has 50. So let me check in my cash envelopes. We have buffer, and of course it's stuck. There's always that one little bill that gets stuck. So buffer has a lot of 10s. So why are there so many 10s? So 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Yes, so indeed 50 is in the buffer, and I use this whenever like I overspend in my cash envelopes and I don't have anywhere to pull from. So that's where I pull. So that's 50, that's zero change. And let's count the total for the end of month for our grand total for sinking funds. So let's start with this page. 150, 18, 156 plus 123, 53, 100 plus 38 plus 2 plus 214 plus 50. So in total, for a grand total for the sinking funds, we have 7,923 euros for the end of the month, and that is a change of 1,242 euros. It's insane. That's an amazing progress for the month. Next, what we're gonna do is update our sinking funds goals. We have to color in some trackers and see what we have managed to do for the during the month of January. So for Maldives, we have fully colored this in. I've finished it on the 15th of January, which is great. So 30 for 30 has now, let's see, 1,110, and here one heart is 133. So let's see how many hearts we have to be colored in. So 8 full hearts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, so it means we can color in an 8th heart, which is great. More progress for us. And then, oh, I moved my phone. I'm so sorry for that. Christmas is still empty. We're starting to stuff this in February. And then emergency has now 2,150, and one star is 666. So we need 3 full stars. Okay, so it's already colored in. We can't color in anything more, but that's how the sinking fund goals for this year look like for now. And then we can color in our subscriber tracker, update it, and see, I'll put it like this, and we'll see what change we had. So currently at the moment of filming, I have 581 subscribers, I believe. So I have to write it down so I don't forget. For January, that's 580. Oh, why am I writing there? No. So 550, that's 575. So somewhere here, which is 582. And I will color in black. No, not black, red. This is a very bad coloring in. Okay. Great. And then maybe I'll write with a black on top. Do I have a black marker? No, I don't think I do. Okay, I'll just write it with a pen. So 582 is what we have here. So that's already a really big change from the beginning of the year which we had. So I want to thank each and every single one of you that has subscribed, that has contributed to this, and I'm so excited to see this grow and see the progress throughout this year, how much we managed to gain. And I'm very thankful for everybody that decides to subscribe and support me on my journey, and I hope that you enjoy my videos and that you decide to stay for a while. But yeah, at the end of the video, I do want to remind you that I'm doing a giveaway on my channel. Go check out my last cash condensing video where I do explain all of the requirements to join the giveaway, but don't leave a comment on YouTube because YouTube deletes them. Please shoot me a DM on Instagram and then you'll be entered. But yeah, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be back tomorrow with a February budget with me, where we're going to set up the budget for February. I'm going to reveal the monthly mystery savings challenge for February, and yeah, we're going to have a grand old time, so stay tuned for that. But in the meanwhile, I wish you a very wonderful day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.